So this is metal disk. So it will have free charges. We can take electrons, we can take positive also. Now this disk is rotating like this, omega. It is rotating. So you can see a charge like this plus Q. This charge is going like this, yes or no? Rotating like this. Plus Q charge, if you think about a plus Q charge, it will be rotating like this with V velocity, it will be going. And there is a vertical uniform magnetic field pointing up, it is made here. So if you see V cross B, then positive charge will go towards the rim. So positive charge will go towards the rim and negative charge will go towards the center. So this will have positive potential and current will flow like this. So this is a simple question of Lorentz force Q V cross B. I can see it through Lorentz force that charge will go in which direction. Where charge will accumulate, positive charge will accumulate, that will become the positive terminal. And you can easily see here that velocity is in phi cap direction and magnetic field is in z cap direction. So force for positive charge will be phi cap cross z cap is equal to rho cap. Correct? So this will be the analysis. Otherwise you can simply, simply do it. So which option is correct?
Option C.
From A to?
From B to A.
From B to A. So option C.
C. So